The C55 has been in talks from the day of its initial release, and that's especially because of its design. A lot of people were against this, but personally I liked it a lot. Like the camera design, I'm a fan of it. So hello everyone, this is HT and we'll be talking about C55 in this video. Talking about the contents of this famous Realme box, first we get a yellow box which consists SIM tray ejector tool, quick start guides and a TPU case. Now here we have our main unit, that's the Realme C55. We will keep it aside as well. Underneath it we get a 33 watt fast charger and the Realme calls it a SuperVOOC charger. Along with that we get a white colored C-type cable, it's common. So even from the inside of covers, the cameras are shining out loud. Like I personally find it much appealing and beautiful. So it's one thing of Realme that even in the budget segment, they keep their eye on the designing as well. Like the devices are never like they are less appealing or anything, and they always make them beautiful. And the same has been done here as well. Like the color I have got is known as the rainy night, but it looks good. Like the pattern we have here is much different, like a lot of particles are moving around. Also the phone is just 7.89mm thick and it really feels sleek and slim. Also it is just 189 grams in the weight. And the cameras are the one that I like much. Alright, we get the power button and the volume rockers, and the bottom consists a speaker, a Type-C and the headphone jack. Also the display holds a punch hole camera rather than a drop notch, which is a big plus against the much famous Samsung A14. And with that we also get the mini capsule here, about which we will be talking later. So do watch this video till the very end. Now the C55 comes with a 6.72 inches HD plus display, and that too with a 90Hz of screen refresh rate. And it's the first time they have added this feature in a C series device. And it functions really nice as there are no lags or jitters while using this. Also it is supported by the 180Hz of touch sampling rate here. Also we get a 680 nits of brightness, which is decent though. Like not the best in market, but definitely good for the pricing here. Now talking about center of talk, which is the cameras we get here. One is the 64 megapixel and another is a 2 megapixel black and white sensor. It is also the first time when Realme has added a 64 megapixel camera lens to a C series device. And they also claim that the sensor here is 54% larger than what they have provided in the last C series device. And definitely that can be seen in the results we are getting from this phone. Like the photos are vibrant and full of character, the colors are pretty good and all the details are pretty well captured. The night mode is not as same as the daylight photos, but still it's quite workable at this pricing. Like you cannot expect a good night mode under 25k in this era. Also we get a variety of photo modes to fit with everyone's needs. The Realme C55 is powered with the MediaTek Helio G88 processor. Now this chipset allows the phone to run much fast and smooth, like apps opening and loading them quickly or switching between the apps. It does everything seamless. Moreover, the dynamic RAM feature allows you to extend the RAM up to 16 gigs. Now for the software, we get the latest Android 13 here with the Realme UI 4.0. which comes with much cool animations and logos everywhere. Like also a lot of free themes and customizations are available in this phone. The performance scores here are satisfactory, keeping the pricing in mind, and that will definitely convince you to buy this if you are thinking for a much powerful and performing device. Also the USP of this phone is the replica of Apple's own dynamic island, to which they call a mini capsule, and that too under 12,000. Like how good it is. Now for the power, here we get a 5000 mAh battery, which can easily last you a complete day with a moderate usage. And to charge it up back, we get a 33 watt SuperVOOC charger, like the fancy name they have always provided to the charger. And it surely charges it much fast. Like to be sure, you cannot ask for anything else here. Like they have packed you with everything they could. Also, my experience with this phone in the last 10 days was amazing. So if you got budget and are looking to buy this phone, you surely must do that. And before that, you can subscribe to this channel.